The emergence of the ANKA-3 stealth unmanned fighter aircraft is one of the most exciting developments in the Turkish defense industry. After years of secret development by Turkish Aerospace Industries, this futuristic platform has finally demonstrated its true capabilities through a series of flight tests, internal weapons launches, and more. Many media outlets and defense observers have begun to refer to the ANKA-3 as Turkey's secret bomber due to its flying wing design, which closely resembles modern stealth aircraft like the US B-2 Spirit and B-21 Raider. However, the big question is the ANKA-3 truly capable of defeating the B-21 Raider? The ANKA-3 is a next-generation unmanned fighter aircraft developed for a variety of high-risk missions, from reconnaissance and electronic warfare to suppressing enemy air defenses and long-range precision strikes. Unlike conventional drones, the ANKA-3 uses a turbofan engine, enabling much higher speeds. This platform has a takeoff weight of around 6.5 to 7 tons, can carry a payload of up to 1,200 kilograms, fly at an altitude of 40,000 feet, and stay airborne for up to 10 hours. The first thing that caught the world's attention was the ANKA-3's shape, which resembles a modern stealth bomber. It lacks a vertical tail, like a conventional fighter jet. The entire structure is designed to minimize radar reflection. This design offers several important advantages: a smaller radar signature and higher aerodynamic efficiency. One of the ANKA-3's greatest achievements was its successful munitions launch from its internal weapons bay. In this test, the Turkish stealth drone successfully released a domestically produced Tolan Smart munition and hit its target with high accuracy. The ability to carry weapons inside the fuselage is crucial for a stealth platform because it does not distort its radar profile. Many of the world's stealth fighters rely on a similar concept to maintain stealth capabilities while carrying out combat missions. Another advantage of the ANKA-3 is its ability to work alongside Turkey's fifth-generation fighter jet. This concept is known as manned-unmanned teaming, where manned and unmanned aircraft work in an integrated manner on the battlefield. In this scenario, the ANKA-3 can act as a frontline reconnaissance aircraft, jam enemy radars, attack air defense systems, serve as electronic decoys, carry additional drones for swarm operations. Turkey has even tested the concept of launching Super Kimzek drones from the ANKA-3 in the air, demonstrating the platform's potential as a mothership for other combat drones. While the ANKA-3's capabilities are impressive, a direct comparison with the B-21 Raider is not entirely accurate. The B-21 Raider is the United States' next-generation strategic bomber. Designed for intercontinental range strike missions, it can carry both conventional and nuclear weapons and is designed to penetrate the world's most advanced air defense systems. The B-21 is also part of America's strategic warfare system, which encompasses a global network of intelligence, electronic warfare, and command and control. If the focus is on capability as a global strategic bomber, then the B-21 Raider is far superior. This American platform is designed to carry a larger payload, fly longer distances, and carry out strategic missions that even include nuclear deterrence. However, when comparing cost efficiency, operational flexibility, the use of artificial intelligence, and the ability to operate in large numbers as a fleet of combat drones, the ANKA-3 offers a very different and potentially revolutionary approach. In a future conflict, dozens of ANKA-3 South operating in a coordinated manner could pose a serious challenge to enemy air defense systems. This concept is less expensive than deploying a single strategic bomber, costing hundreds of millions of dollars. The development of the ANKA-3 demonstrates Turkey's growing independence in high-tech defense. After its success with various combat drones, Ankara is now entering the realm of high-speed stealth aircraft, previously limited to a handful of major powers. With its stealth capabilities, internal weapons bay, electronic warfare, autonomous operation, and integration with KAAN fighter aircraft, the ANKA-3 is one of the most ambitious defense projects Turkey has ever developed. While it cannot yet replace the strategic role of the B-21 Raider, the ANKA-3 has proven that Turkey is now among the nations capable of developing a new generation of unmanned stealth fighter aircraft. If the program continues to progress as planned, the ANKA-3 has the potential to become one of the world's most dangerous and innovative air attack systems in the coming decade.